Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to check out the skill of simplifying rational expressions. So we want to remember that when we're working with fractions of any kind, if we have a repeated factor in the numerator and the denominator, then we can cancel it out. Also, let's remember that factors are quantities that are being multiplied by other quantities. So the first step in simplifying rational expressions is to factor the numerators and the denominators completely. So x squared minus 4, that's a difference of squares, so I know that is going to factor to x plus 2 times x minus 2. For 2x squared minus x minus 10, I know that that's going to factor to a 2x and an x. And I think that's going to factor with a 2 and a 5 there. So let's see. That would make, we want -5, +4. So there we go. We have 2x minus 5 and x plus 2. Note, I'm not showing the factoring in this video. We have videos all about how to factor, so if you need some review on that, go check those out and then come back here when you're ready. Okay, now that we have everything factored, what we're looking for is factors that are repeated in the numerator and the denominator that we can cancel out. Here I see x plus 2 and x plus 2 as factors repeated in the numerator and the denominator. So canceling those out, I have a final answer of x minus 2 over 2x minus 5. So there's my fully simplified version for that rational expression. All right, let's look at another example. Doing the same thing over here, the first thing we need to do is factor our numerator and our denominator. See if there's anything repeated that we can cancel out. So looking for numbers that multiply to give 14 but add to give -9, I have x minus 2 and x minus 7. In the second one, looking for numbers that multiply to give -8 but add to give +2, I have +4 and -2. So here I notice again that I have repeated factors. I have x minus 2 in the numerator and x minus 2 in the denominator. So I'll cancel those out and I'll be left with x minus 7 over x plus 4. So my fully simplified version here is x minus 7 over x plus 4. Alright guys, that does it for this quick video on simplifying rational expressions. We'll catch you in the next one.